cannulating ECMO on the mannequin. You need to arrange all the items, and the items list I will put in the description box. The cannulating axis is right femoral and right jugular. The doctor will insert the needle with the help of ultrasound. The pulsating one is artery and the non-pulsating one is vein. Which cannulation is preferring, the doctor will insert through that particular vein. If it is VV ECMO, both the vein, and VA ECMO, one vein and one artery. Inserted the needle through the femoral vein, and through that needle gateway inserted, and they will remove the needle, and after removal the cordis will insert through the gateway. We are using 6 French gateway for ECMO cannulation, and now the cordis is in place, and after the cord is in place they will remove the gateway and the dilator as well. Now they are remove the dilator, then aspirating the lumen to check the patency of the cordis, and also they will flush it. Now the cordis is in place. In the same way they will insert in the jugular vein also. Now inserting the super stiff flexible gateway through cordis, we have 145 centimeter, 180 centimeter and 260 centimeter J-tip super stiffs. Now inserting the super stiff slowly, and they will remove the cordis also, and after that the dilator will insert from the 10 French to which French of the cannula has it is. Now the dilator is inserting one by one, and they are removing one dilator and another dilator is being inserting slowly. It is in rotatory manner they are inserting the dilator. The last, the 22 French dilator is going on. During this time bleed will happen, and they are removing the dilator slowly and ready for the cannula. The same manner the cannula is inserting. Inside the cannula there is also one dilator. The tip should hold by the doctor, and inserting the cannula same way like the dilator inserted in the rotatory manner. And during this time the gauze and the pressure should needed to avoid further bleeding, and they are inserting the connected. In the same way the jugular access also, and removing the dilator from the cannula to hold to avoid the further bleeding through the cannula, and clamp it. Flushing the cannula and aspirating and flushing the cannula with the 50 cc catheter tip to check the patency. During this time the doctor will check the ultrasound also. The sterile part of the ECMO circuit cut. Now the sterile part is cut by the doctor, and the drainage cannula should go at the femoral access line, and they will connect like pouring the catheter, the saline on the lumen, both the cannula and the circuit. They will connect, they will pour and will connect to avoid further air bubble inside the lumen. Then connect it in the same way jugular also connected. When the perfusion is ready with the machine with a set value of 2000 rpm, the doctor will clamp off. The perfusionist will tell the doctor to clamp off. They clamped off, and they will increase the rpm gradually to achieve the flow. During this time the sweep gas will be minimal, 0.5 to 1 liter per minute, and this time we will check the color change of both drainage and